guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite green smoothie recipes. I really like having these for breakfast because I think having a green smoothie first thing in the morning is a really great way to start the day. And all of these smoothies feature one of my favorite superfood ingredients, spirulina, which takes the nutritional value of these smoothies to a whole nother level. And of course you can make these without the spirulina, but I just really love adding superfoods like this to my smoothies because they're packed with nutrients, and I think it's just a really easy and very convenient way to increase the nutritional value. So if you're not familiar with it, spirulina is a microalgae that's incredibly nutrient dense. It contains high levels of calcium, iron, B vitamins, potassium, magnesium, just to name a few. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It's also rich in protein, which is why it's very popular in vegan or plant-based diets. But don't just take my word for any of this. I encourage everyone to do your own research and read some of the studies that have been done with spirulina because it's very fascinating. So now that you know a little bit about it, let's get right into the recipes. For the first smoothie, I like to add 2 cups of pineapple, and I just cut it into chunks, that way it's easier to blend. I also add half of a cucumber, a handful of kale, a small piece of ginger, the juice of half of a lime, or you could also use lemon. And then I add 1 teaspoon of spirulina and about half a cup of water so everything can blend. This one is one of my all-time favorite smoothies because it's so refreshing. The pineapple adds the right amount of sweetness, and if you're not a big fan of the taste of spirulina, the pineapple will definitely help. And you'll still be getting in all the wonderful benefits of the spirulina. Next up is a more tropical smoothie. I like to add about 2 cups of mango, a big handful of greens. You can use spinach, kale, or whatever greens you have on hand. I also add half of an avocado, 1 teaspoon of spirulina, and half a cup to 1 cup of coconut water, depending on the consistency you like. And I love combining mango and avocado because together they make the creamiest smoothies. And I think this one is especially perfect for summertime because the coconut water is very, very hydrating. If you're a chocolate lover like me, you can still enjoy chocolate even in a green smoothie. So to make this smoothie, I add 1 banana, 1 to 2 cups of spinach, 1 tablespoon of raw cacao powder, which is not the same as cocoa powder, so make sure you're using the right one here. I also add 1 teaspoon of spirulina, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, and 1 cup of almond milk. This one is so deliciously creamy and chocolatey. It's one of my favorites, especially right after I work out because it's very filling. And the best part is you don't have to feel guilty about it because it's healthy. So those are 3 of my favorite green smoothie recipes featuring spirulina. So I hope you give these recipes a try and let me know how you like them in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more smoothie recipes, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!